Contact us to avail the combo offer of General Studies and Public Administration optional with 20% discount.
Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IAS. Today we are going to have the Hindu analysis of 19th September 2021. Let us see which are the important articles from today's The Hindu newspaper. Yes, these are the important articles. As it is Sunday's newspaper, we all know that important articles related to our examination, they appear on Science and Technology page as well as FAQ page, and some other developments will have follow up here. So what we will do is, first of all, we will take overview of all these articles, wherein we will understand the context of the articles and relevance to our examination syllabus, and then we will discuss them one by one in detail. First of all, mains related development. What is need for a bad bank? On FAQ page, there is one article which summarizes about this bad bank, this proposition by the finance ministry recently, and yes, it is related to establishment of this bad bank. So the article talks about what is this proposal, how it is going to work out, why government has come up with this, and whether it will be successful or not. So GS3 paper economy part, it is important. So bad bank as a proposal to resolve NPAs, non-performing assets. Next, analysis of production linked incentive scheme for auto sector. So recently the government announced this PLI for auto scheme, or a scheme for auto sector. So about this scheme, and then why the government has come up with this scheme, the impact, and we can say that what are the challenges. So yes, this is also related to our GS3 paper economy part. Now on page number 15, there is one report, CCI report, which says that Google abused Android dominance. Okay, so yes, these app aggregators, or we can say that those let's say providing these app whatever the platforms that we have. Okay, so we download these apps from these app stores. Okay, so Google and Apple has dominance, and recently South Korea has come up with such law which talks about reducing the monopoly of Google and Apple of such app systems. Okay, so our Competition Commission of India in its report also finds that Google abused Android dominance. So what is that, we will deal in detail. This is important from governance perspective, GS2 paper. Okay, then global push must to protect rights of Afghan girls. Kailash Satyarthi, Nobel Peace Prize winner from India. Yes, so we know that at present in Afghanistan the crisis is going on, and the Taliban led Afghanistan government now is focusing on some kind of gender disparity. Women and girls are not allowed in the schools. So this is to some extent a vulnerable situation for the women in Afghanistan. So this is important from GS1 paper, society, and essay paper also. We can quote or mention this example regarding gender empowerment at world stage. Okay, then serotype 2 dengue is challenge. So recently the health secretary has said that this serotype 2 dengue spread in 11 states in India is cause of concern. We will try to understand what are the measures being taken by the health ministry regarding this. Specifically for prelims examination, ISC researchers find a way to substitute for single use plastics, SUPs. This is good development, and this single use plastic, or the substitute or the polymer which is being developed here, this is also eco-friendly and less polluting or not polluting at all. So that's why it becomes significant. All of us know that single use plastic is leading to environment degradation and the pollution, marine pollution also, right? So yes, these are the important articles. Let us discuss them one by one detail. Yes, what is the need for bad bank? Yes, recently our finance minister proposed establishment of this bad bank, which is being called as NARCL, right? So National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited. Okay, so this is the bad bank. Let us understand what is bad bank. Conceptually, you need to be understanding this. Bad bank is that bank which acquires the non-performing assets of other bank and then tries to resolve, or let's say get the appropriate market value by managing and selling these assets in the market, and whatever the value that has been recovered, it let's say has some kind of profit with itself, as well as the amount is then transferred to the original bank. Okay, so in this manner the bad bank is actually taking away those non-performing assets from the balance sheets of those banks, and thereby the banks will be able to lend more effectively without any fear. Okay, so this is the significance of bad bank. And yes, how this NARCL will operate, this operation or working of this NARCL is also important. So let us understand the working. Suppose this is bank 1, bank 2, bank 3 is there, okay, and this is NARCL. Understand this working, very important. This can be asked in directly examination. So suppose these banks are having certain amount of NPAs with them, non-performing assets, and it is actually dragging the credit creation by these banks, and therefore they want to get rid of it. They are not able to resolve these NPAs, or we can say that not able to get the returns out of them. So what these banks will do is they will sell these NPAs to bad bank, and bad bank in return will provide 15% amount of that valuation upfront, and remaining 85% as securities. They will issue the securities, and later on when the appropriate resolution happens, then the value of these securities can be given back to the amount can be given back to these banks individually. Okay, so in this manner this bad bank is working. Now the role of the government here in this proposal is that it is providing backstop facility. What is backstop facility? Let us understand that. Backstop means, let's say, a barrier or a support given by any, let's say, particular object or individual, so as to protect the person or object in front of it, right? So backstop facility by government basically tries to support this. It tries to support bad bank in case of, let's say, whatever the resolution is happening, and suppose the valuation is less than the final, let's say final valuation is less than the early valuation done here. So that amount will be used by this backstop facility of around 30,000 crore rupees, 30,600 crore rupees proposed by the government. Okay, so this is not directly given, rather it will be a security, or we can say support to this bad bank, right? At the same time, the government is also providing some riders here, or the conditions that this bad bank is supposed to provide some amount of fees to the government in terms of resolution time. Suppose the bad bank is not able to resolve within the time and it is delaying that, then more amount of fees is to be paid back to the government. In this manner, it acts as a deterrent on this NARCL to resolve these, let's say, NPAs in efficient manner in less time. Okay, so in this manner, all this bad bank concept is working at present. Okay, or the proposal. Now, why is the center providing backstop? Just now we have understood it acts as a support, or it instills some confidence in the system that government is providing some support. Anything, let's say, wrong happens, the government is acting as a bridge there. So whatever the bad bank valuation is doing about those NPAs, those assets, so if suppose the final resolution valuation of those assets is less than the earlier, then the backstop facility will be helpful to bridge that gap. Okay, so it is not directly providing support, indirectly at the last it is providing support. Okay, what lies ahead for the banking industry? This is good thing for banking industry. First of all, we can say credit creation. It will help in credit creation. Second, we can say that a resolution of NPAs, efficient and effective resolution of NPAs. Then we can say that for the banking industry, freed up capital. Okay, so all these will help for further credit creation, lending to the private players. Ultimately, it will help in the economic growth, right? So what are the challenges here? Challenges, first thing we have to understand in the challenges is that the capitalization, bank capitalization, or we can say recapitalization. So there is one study of EU banks, European Union banks, and there it is being said that along with such, let's say, segregation of assets from the banks to the bad bank, we need to also promote a recapitalization of banks from the government. Up till now, the government was doing that through budgetary support, but now it is not doing that bank recapitalization, rather it is acting as, let's say, just a support in case of emergency. Okay, so it is not going to be successful unless and until it is supported by bank recapitalization. This is what we are talking here as a major concern. Fine. So yes, you can see here the question, explain the working of proposed bad bank. Will it be successful in resolution of NPAs in India? Okay, so whatever the working we discussed, you can mention that, and then you can talk about the arguments, positives as well as negatives, okay, or the concerns. Yes, so next article, Auto Boost, on page number 13, FAQ page, it is also talking about the production linked incentive scheme for auto sector recently launched. Okay, so this scheme lays a stress on advanced automotive technology, advanced automotive technology systems, which is, for example, we can say that electric batteries for electric vehicles. You can give example of hydrogen fuel cells, hydrogen fuel cells. Okay, these are you can say advanced automotive technology. So through this scheme, the funding or the support will be provided to the existing as well as new automotive players in acquiring these technologies or investment in these technologies. Right. Now, how relevant is the plan for auto sector? Now, Indian auto sector at present, let's say 2020, if we are talking about the data, India ranks 5th in the automotive sector at the world stage. Ideally, the projection was that India will be 3rd after US and China, but now it is 5th. And in recent times, the global players are exiting. Okay, the global players are exiting. For example, in 2017, General Motors exited India. Recently, Ford company also said that it will stop its production in India. So this is bad news for automotive sector. In the light of this, we can say that the relevance we can discuss. The second aspect we should discuss in terms of relevance is that growing concern about air pollution and our commitments to Paris Summit, Paris Agreement on climate change. So for that purpose, we are shifting to more cleaner technologies in automotive sector, right? So are only newer fuel technologies eligible? Yes. So here we should understand that the government is actually taking the advantage of the market situation. This is good thing. Already the fossil fuel prices of, let's say, diesel or petrol, they are soaring, and because of that what is happening is the common people are not able to they are facing the burden of this cost, transportation fuel, and because of that this incentive is being created that the customers will be shifting towards electric vehicles. So by creating appropriate infrastructure and investing in that technology, there will be more and more demand creation for the EV. So that's why the government is tapping this situation. What can customers expect? So customers can expect that in future there will be decline in cost of electric vehicles with further let's say improvement in the infrastructure for, let's say, be it charging infrastructure, charging stations for electric vehicles, or we can also say that whenever the people are facing the problem, let's say, be it efficiency of the charging sector, at the same time, let's say, when the technology in terms of hydrogen fuels and that will develop, so it is going to help the customers also. Fine. So this is important from economy sector. Then Google abused Android dominance, Competition Commission of India report. This is important because these we can say Google and Apple, so they are actually Android operating stores, and Android store is there, App Store is there, and from that we have to download this. So what happened here is Google reduced the ability and incentives of device manufacturers to develop and sell devices operating on alternative versions of the Android, and there is some compulsory provision to download the apps from the Android only, right? So because of that they have used the dominant position in that market in their advantage or to their advantage. So further the senior CCI members will review the report and Google company will be given another chance to defend. Otherwise in future there will be penalties. Okay, so you can use this example of, we can say that, anti-competitive practices by these MNCs or giant technology companies, global giants. Okay, next, global push must to protect rights of Afghan girls, Kailash Satyarthi. So he has received the Nobel Peace Prize in terms of, let's say, his efforts in protecting rights of the children, reducing the children trafficking or child trafficking, human trafficking around the world. Okay, so if children are not given education, particularly girls, on an equal footing, then there are many more chances of perpetual exploitation, injustices and violence. Very good statement. He was talking about the problems or the exploitation of the women or the girls that may happen in Afghanistan under the Taliban rule. Okay, so at the same time, United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 8.7 target that mandate every country to eradicate forced labor, end modern slavery and human trafficking, secure prohibition and elimination of worst form of child labor. This will not be realized in Afghanistan if the situation continues. Okay, so yes, you can use this in essay paper also. Serotype 2 dengue is a challenge. So this type of, let's say, new variety of dengue here in 11 states, the cases have been found, and there are, let's say, more cases and more complications than the other forms of the disease. Okay, and that's why it has asked the state to undertake early detection of cases, operationalize fever helplines, ensure adequate stocking of testing kits, larvicides, medicines, deploy rapid response teams for prompt investigation, public health actions such as fever survey, contact tracing, vector control. Along with that, maintenance of, let's say, blood banks, platelets. Also, states have been asked to undertake IEC campaign, information, education, communication. Okay, these are the measures being undertaken. GS2 paper, health section is there. Then ISC researchers find way to substitute for single use plastic. This is good development in terms of science and technology. What researchers have done here, they have developed this polymers using non-edible oils like castor oil and cellulose extracted from the agriculture stubble. Okay, so both things are good. Non-edible oil, this can be used, and cellulose extracted from the agriculture stubble. So what is the significance? Yes, we know that the plastic pollution, you can use this fact, 3.3 million metric tons of plastic waste generated in India. At the world level, whatever the waste produced, 79% enters the environment without any, let's say, processing. It damages the environment. Out of this, only 9% of the plastic is recycled in the world. Challenge of managing the landfills choked with the single-use plastic, that is also problem. Waste management, solid waste management. And finally, agriculture stubble burning is responsible for air pollution in several states like Delhi and surrounding region. Agriculture stubble burning that happens in Punjab and Haryana region. Every year the winter pollution happens in Delhi and NCR. So this stubble pollution, burning pollution will not happen, and this stubble can be used for the production of this polymer here. Okay, so this can be converted into bags, and we can say that the manufacturing products, right? So this is good thing. Okay, so yes, these were important articles from today's The Hindu newspaper. Thank you.
Contact us to avail the combo offer of General Studies and Public Administration optional with 20% discount.